Stop scrolling. If you're a teen or college student and broke, this video can literally change your life. These are real ways students are making money right now. No scams, no parents' money. Why listen? I wish someone told me this earlier because even $100 a month at 16 puts you ahead of most adults. First way, freelancing. Freelancing means using a skill online and getting paid per project. Here's the crazy part. You don't need experience. You need proof. Skills that work best in the US. Video editing, huge demand. Social media posting, graphic design, writing captions or blogs. Websites. Fiverr, Upwork. Start cheap, do a good job, get reviews, then raise prices. One client can pay more than a part-time job. Second, learn one high-income skill, not 10, only one. Best beginner skills: video editing, AI tools, web design, copywriting. You can learn these free on YouTube in 30 to 60 minutes a day. Schools teach subjects, skills pay bills. Third, content creation. You don't need to be famous. You need to be consistent. Faceless content works. Your phone works. Best niches: money, motivation, gaming, study tips, storytelling. Money comes from YouTube ads, brand deals, affiliate links. This is slow at first, but insane long-term. Fourth, sell digital products. Students are selling notes, study guides, Canva templates, AI prompts, platforms, Gumroad, Etsy, Instagram. You make it once. You sell it forever. That's how smart money works. Fifth, teach something you already know. If you're good at math, English, science, editing, you can tutor online in your neighborhood. On Zoom, parents will pay you because you're relatable and affordable. Quick warning: if someone asks you to pay to get a job, it's a scam. There is no overnight money. There is long-term money. Imagine being 18, making money, learning skills, and not panicking about the future. You don't need motivation. You need one decision. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for real money content, and comment "profit," and I'll drop part 2.